The secret ingredient. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and whispering trees, there lived a woman named Jasmine. Her kitchen was the heart of her cozy home, a place where the scent of cardamom and cinnamon danced in the air, where pots simmered with promise, and where every meal told a story. Jasmine didn't just cook, she created. She chopped with precision, stirred with rhythm, and seasoned with intuition. Whether it was a simple lentil soup or an elaborate biryani, she prepared every dish with quiet devotion. But what truly made her food special wasn't just the ingredients or the recipes, it was the care she folded into every bite. Her husband, Ayan, often said that he could taste her love in the first spoonful. Neighbors would linger near her window, noses tilted to the breeze, hoping to be invited in. And often, they were. Jasmine believed that food was meant to be shared, that a warm meal could heal hearts and forge friendships. One rainy evening, a lost traveler knocked on her door. He was cold, soaked, and tired. Jasmine welcomed him with a smile and a bowl of steaming stew. As he ate, he grew quiet. Then, with teary eyes, he whispered, "This tastes like home." And that was Jasmine's magic. She didn't just feed the body, she nourished the soul. Because every dish she made came with the same secret ingredient, care. And in a world that sometimes forgets the power of kindness, Jasmine's kitchen was a gentle reminder that love, when served warm, could change everything. Goodbye.